Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Ford Taurus. First, park your vehicle on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall or garage door. Make sure your tire pressure is correct, as this affects headlight aim. Then, mark the wall with tape to show the center of each headlight beam. This setup is crucial for accurate adjustments. Next, open your hood to get to the back of the headlight assemblies. You'll be looking for two specific adjustment screws on each headlight. One screw controls the vertical aim, moving the beam up or down, and the other handles horizontal adjustments, shifting it left or right. You'll likely need a Phillips head screwdriver or a Torx bit for these. Now, it's time to make the adjustments. Use your screwdriver to turn the vertical adjustment screw. This will move the headlight beam up or down on the wall. Then, use the horizontal screw to shift the beam left or right. For low beams, aim the top of the brightest part of the beam, the cutoff line, to be about 2 inches below your center mark. Finally, double-check that both headlights are aimed consistently and provide good visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Take your vehicle for a test drive at night to ensure the adjustments are perfect for your driving conditions. Also, if you're looking to simplify your daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.